Arts Committee began in 2003 with a group of employees who believed if we could create a healing environment for our patients, it would improve their well-being, lessen their suffering, and have better outcomes for our patients. Since that time, we've involved all of the community, and our foundation has gotten involved, and we've seen it grow tremendously from all of our outpatient areas to inpatient areas. And our patients are really giving us feedback that the environment makes a difference for them. And so one of the things we'd like to do in the future is have a way to measure that. And so we plan to add a question to our patient satisfaction surveys to really measure the impact of our healing arts program on the environment for our patients. One of my favorite projects that we did as part of our healing arts initiative is our women's pavilion. And it was one of the showcase outpatient sites for our healing arts. And that's an area where patients are real anxious when they come in. Women come in to get mammography services and don't always know how the outcome's going to be. And everywhere that a patient looks as they're getting their mammography, there's a piece of art and something for them to relax and concentrate on versus the procedure. So at St. Tammany Parish Hospital, this program really matters to the healing of our patients, and we're real excited about it.